Hey Basic, this is a new view for you because we went topless over the weekend. So check out Friday's episode on how we did that. In the meantime, I am so excited, so I'm gonna reward the crew with some hot wings tonight. So follow me into the galley and I will show you how I prepare it. Alright, so what I do on board is keep it really simple because everybody knows hot wings is all about the sauce. I just do a nice quick salt and pepper with the chicken, garlic, onion powder, and toss it in the cornstarch. The cornstarch gives it a nice thin crispy exterior, just ready for whatever sauce you're gonna dip it in. So let's get started. So it's really important to dry the chicken before you season it because when you fry it, you don't want to have any moisture on the chicken. So what I do is I just put down a couple of paper towels or napkins and I'm just going to dump the chicken on there and just pat it dry. It's a little windy, but it doesn't have to be pretty. And just pat it dry as much as possible before you season it. That gives it a good fry when you put it into the Dutch oven.
Are the wings ready?
Not yet, it's coming.
Oh, okay.
Now that the chicken is nice and dry, I'm gonna lightly season everything. So the next step is to toss the wings in the cornstarch. This gives it a nice, light, crispy exterior that everybody loves.
Oh yeah, we do.
But before I get started on that, I'm going to heat up the oil because everyone is anxious to eat and I don't want to waste any time.
Are the wings ready?
In a few more minutes, be patient.
Okay.
So while the oil gets up to temperature, I'm going to toss the wings in the cornstarch. And it just varies how much you need to use, just as long as it's evenly coated on all the wings.
Are the wings ready?
Almost!
Okay.
So while we're waiting for the oil to heat up, I thought I'd make the cameraman a nice little Cuba Libre.
Ooh, thank you, galley wench.
And I'm gonna have a nice rosé. I wish I heard you say that before I gave you that drink.
I'll take it all back.
Good?
Perfect.
So the oil should be up to temperature to make sure that it is sizzling, which it is. And I will toss in the wings, just a few at a time. It'll take about 4 to 7 minutes to cook that, or until brown. Gets it up to temperature to about 165 degrees, and we are all set.
Are the wings ready?
A few more minutes.
Okay.
So while we're working on the second batch, let's get started on the sauce. So, sauces are funny. Everybody has their favorite. Tonight, we're gonna do two that is a good go-to. We have our sweet chili sauce that is great for just about any meal, but it's really good on wings. The next one is a good go-to. It is ranch and sriracha. The beauty of this one is that you can doctor it up and get it as spicy as you want or as creamy as you want, just depending on what your tolerance is for heat. Alright, so the wings are done, and it's time to plate this up and get eating.
How is it?
It's really good, so you better get in here before it's all gone.
I'm on it.
I just ate 17 chicken wings. I'm so full. But remember, if you like the video, then like and subscribe. Come back next week to see what my mom cooks up next for me. See you then! What's for dessert?